Yo guys, it's almost New Year. Time is 11:23. Guys, may mango float ulit tayo. Ayan. Tapos na yan. Ito guys, Grahams, may Coke, tapos mayo ulit. May. We have here rice, fruits. By the way, there are sweet fruits that we tasted. Matamis pa sila. Hindi ko lang kung matamis ba yung mangosteen. Natikman ko na yung grape na kulay green, kulay verde, tapos lansones, tapos rambutan, matamis. Got cake, brownies, and Rebel bars, and freaking barbecue. Simple, but yeah, I'll continue later on in the video. Let's go. Yo, 5 minutes na lang guys. Countdown for the cool down, for the bone down. Hey, Paldo. Yeah, countdown guys. 1:47. I think nag-update na nila. Na-fix na nila ata yung countdown nila. Nanonood lang po tayo ng live YouTube gamit ng Smart TV. Okay, 1 minute left. Yo, 1 minute na lang, 1 minute. May fireworks na sa labas. Wala pang alas 12. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, eventually it's 12 AM to my phone, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Guys, as 12 na. So, punta tayo sa labas. Ay, walang tugit na. May mga ingay na dito. Yun na nga, may fireworks na. na to? Spaghetti. Ah,
Gani ka
carbonara.
nag-brum-brum pa si Jack? Nag-brum pa? Kainan na. Kain mo na.
Kain tayo guys.
Yan eh, nagbibigay ka sila. Happy New Year daw. Yung may cork nga to pa.
Hindi ano eh.
Pugnik lang. Makautot mo na no. What a relief.
Ya. Buka to. Diba?
Pinugos.